Hey everybody, thanks for joining me for another daily Pokemon pack opening. There we go. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day today. This pack does not want me to open it, but it is getting opened. If you'd like to see more Pokemon pack openings, please like and subscribe to the video, the channel, whatever I'm trying to say. Still pack on my finger. We got Abomasnow, Lost City, Carbink, Bronzer, Phalanx, Poliwag, Oddish, Hisuian Growlithe. Oh, nice! This is my first Pikachu VMAX. Excellent. And an Gyarados. Thanks, everybody.